In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate elements in Webflow. Whether you're working on making your web designs more dynamic or you're just getting started with Webflow, understanding how to rotate elements can really add a new dimension to your projects. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll need to get into your Webflow account. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and search for Webflow. Once you've found it, go ahead and click either the Login or Sign Up option, depending on whether you already have an account. If you don't have one yet, Webflow's sign-up process is pretty straightforward and user-friendly, so just follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Once you're logged into Webflow, you'll find yourself in the Webflow Designer, which is where all the magic happens. Here, you can start setting up your design workspace. Now, locate the element that you'd like to rotate. This could be anything from a simple image to a complex multi-element design. Click on that element to select it. With your element selected, shift your focus to the right sidebar of the Webflow Designer interface. This is where a lot of your style customizations will occur. Look for the Style tab, which houses various settings for adjusting the visual aspects of your elements. This tab is your gateway to transforming elements, so give it a click. Within the Style tab, you'd want to scroll down until you come across a section labeled 2D and 3D Transforms. This section is specifically designed to help you manipulate your element's orientation in both two-dimensional and three-dimensional spaces. As you explore the 2D and 3D Transforms section, you'll spot a plus sign icon. Clicking this icon allows you to add a new transform property to your selected element. A whole host of options will become available, which you can use to play around with how your element is displayed. Among these options, you'll notice a drop-down menu for transform types. What you need to do here is select Rotate from that list. Don't worry if it feels a little overwhelming at first. This selection is what enables you to adjust the orientation angles easily. Once in the Rotate settings, you'll have the ability to specify the rotation angle on the X, Y, and Z axes. You can make use of the intuitive sliders provided or directly input numbers into the fields to achieve precise rotations. This is where your creativity shines, so feel free to experiment with different angles to get the effect you desire. And that's it. Following these steps, you'll be able to successfully rotate elements in your Webflow projects, opening up new possibilities for interactive and engaging web design. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide, and happy designing.